from Himalayan north and hosting slope of tea cultivation. British planters, especially from Assam to Himachal Pradesh, beyond the Darjeeling area, succeed beyond the Darjeeling area. Reason for limitation of the tea gardens of Darjeeling area. Its Darjeeling is higher in elevation. The temperature is more colder with the condition of frost. Not suitable for the tea cultivations. Difficulty in accessibility in the region as the slope is very steep, along with the presence of a rough terrain, dense forest, extreme rainfall, frequent floods, alienation of tribal area. Plantation agriculture of tea used to be solely for the commercial purposes. And the distance from the port and accessibility was critical factor determining the productive area. The distance from the port increased as we move west, hence rising transportation cost. Proved to be tea cultivation. Port increases. Move west, hence rising transportation cost also proved to be tea cultivation spoiler. The distance from the port increases. Effective tea cultivation requires heavy rainfall, say 50 to 50 centimeters with non-stagnating water, soil rich in lime and humus. Moderate temperature, all these conditions perfectly matched with the condition of Darjeeling areas. However, the amount of rainfall gradually decrease. Westwards. Temperature also keeps on dipping. Soil also is not suitable enough westwards as we move along the southern Himalaya slope. Steep, stagnant. But the green revolution in India virtually bypassed the eastern envisioned self-sufficiency in food productions. Actually, why green revolution envisioned self-sufficiency in food production? Use of HIV seeds. Green revolution envisioned self-sufficiency in food production by employing the use of seeds, fertilizer, irrigation, and related modern technology in a decade of 1960. More thrust for this, which are already doing well and had large farms. The natural choice of a region proved to be northwest India. Natural choice of region northwest of India. Northwest of India. Automatic crop choice was wheat. Green Revolution did not aspire for regional development, rather envisioned self-sufficiency in food production. Self-sufficiency. Northwest India provided the favorable condition for accomplishing this vision. Unfortunately, Eastern India had smaller farms and paddy as staple crops which did not act as attraction for the government to invest in. Massive irrigation project, facilitation of easy credit availability and easy facilitation of the use of modern technology were concentrated in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh. Massive irrigation, easy credit availability and easy facilitation of the use of modern technology. Eastern India suffered from frequent floods, excessive poverty, poor infrastructure, fragmentation, poor institutional credit facilities too. Massive irrigation project facilitation of easy credit availability. Easy facilitation of the use of modern technology. They virtually bypass the eastern region and good availability of waters. In food production, technology, decadence, more thrust of this was given to areas. A large farms, then moved to northwest India. Automatic crops choice was wheat. The revolution did not aspire for regional development, rather envisioned self-sufficiency in food production. Northwest India provided the favorable condition for accomplishing this vision. Unfortunately, eastern India had smaller farms and paddy as staple crops. Massive irrigation project, facilitations of easy credit availability and easy facilitation of the use of modern technologies were concentrated in Punjab, Haryana. Massive irrigation project, facilitation. Irrigation project, facilitation of easy credit availability and easy facilitation. Use of modern technology were concentrated in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh. Eastern India suffered from frequent floods, excessive poverty, poor infrastructure, fragmentation of farms, and poor institutional credit facilities, to name a few, proving to be huge dampener for the success of Green Revolution. These problems proved to push the region at the disadvantages position in spite of having extremely fertile land by new floodplains, highly dense aquifers. Eastern India was perceived to have other huge potential in allied activities of animal husbandry. Huge potential. Fisheries, jute cultivation, fox nut production of it. Since they were not thought of being the primary reasons to be a part of Green Revolution, which were already doing well and had large farms. The natural choice of region proved to be northwest India and the automatic crop choice was wheat. The revolution did not aspire for regional development, rather envisioned self-sufficiency in food production. Northwest India provided the favorable condition for accomplishing these visions. Unfortunately, Eastern India has smaller farms and paddy as staple crops, which did not act as attraction for the government to invest in. It was attraction for the government to invest in, and more thrust for this was given to areas doing well had large farms.